Hello everybody and welcome back. So let's begin. So first thing you need to do is you have to create a 3D project in your Unity. So right here you can see I have an empty project, and we need to import few things. So just head over to asset store and search for sci-fi soldier. So it's completely free from Eurov Victor. So just download this. It's only 12.5 MB. Download this package. And the second thing we are going to use is joystick pack, because we are going to build this game for our Android and iOS device. We can also play it on the PC, but we are going to specifically focus on mobile game development. So you have to download this. It is only 487 KB. And lastly, for our multiplayer functionality, we have to download this Pun2 package, which is the latest version as of. And now we have to import this joystick package. So I'm going to click on the import. So make sure each and everything is selected, click on import, and finally we are going to import our soldier. So click on import to import it. So before proceeding with the video, I want to introduce you about my multiplayer course. As you know that this series is a part of my multiplayer course that is on Udemy. So I will put the link of the project overview in the description. You can check that out. So it is going to take a while. So now we have each and everything that we needed in our game. So we are going to start the game development process. So first we will create our soldier, and we will create our input system for our soldier, and then we are going to jump to multiplayer functionality. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.